Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this D&D filter on Instagram. The filter name is roll your character. To get this filter on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Godzuki is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your Instagram camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. So check in his filter gallery and this is the filter, roll your character. Just tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see link to the filters. So tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, likewise you can get this filter on Instagram, and to use this filter just tap and hold. Okay, tap on this filter link and open it with Instagram. Okay, there you go, you got the filter. And to use this filter you just have to press and hold the record button. So let's do that. So that was it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.